So today, guys, I'm gonna black out my front grille. Now, if you remember before, I was talking about getting the accessory grill, which I'm still gonna do, but I wanted to share with you how to quickly black this out to blend in here if you didn't want to drop the money. So you can see here, it's from Cool Tint 604. I'll put a link in the description. It's the gloss black grill overlay, and it just pretty much just sticks on here, no heat required. Very easy to do. So I wanted to share this with you guys. So if you didn't want to drop, it's upwards of $200, maybe $250 for the accessory grill, which I'm still going to do. Like I said, I have a part of it already, but I just want to share this with you guys as an alternative. So we're going to do this here. Very easy to do. Like I said, if you guys had these cars, you know how quickly these things stain. I already cleaned it up, but I mean, you could see it. It gets stained pretty easily. It's just sitting in the sun, kind of etches itself on there. So it's a nice thing to cover it up, and it blends in. I don't know why they didn't make it all black either. They just went with a dark chrome. But this kit, I'll open it up here and I'll show you what you guys get with it. So here's everything you get. You get this. The main piece here goes around the emblem, and this is the top piece, and these are the sides. Gives you the instructions if you're not sure where they go, but pretty much it's just peeling and sticking. And like I said, you don't need heat with this. It's easy to do. I'm not gonna take you through the whole install video. I have other videos if you want to watch those of the install. You're just peeling and sticking. It's really straightforward here. The main thing is, I can say, is clean it really well. I use Windex to strip it so there's no oils on it. And you just take your time and just lay it on there and smooth the bubbles out. And this stuff is good quality, so the bubbles come right out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this in sections. So I open this hood up just so it's easier. So I did this top part here. Looks really good. And then I'll do the second part that just meets here. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so there's a second piece. Like I said, it's really easy. You can overlap the pieces and you press it down and you can't even tell where the seam of the vinyl is. So, like I said, very easy to do. And it's a great alternative. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do the other side and show you. Okay, so here's the driver's side. Let's go check the passenger side out now. Check that out. Looks really good. Like I said, just blacking out the top portion makes a huge difference. It just blends really well. It gives it that sporty edge. And like I said, I'm going to do the accessory grill. I like it a lot. Just want to share with people, if you don't want to spend $250 and have to disassemble some stuff to install it, this is your next best option. I like it. Before I did the hard plastic cover, which is great too. But this is still a little cheaper than that. So if you're good with vinyl, or not even, you don't have to be great with it. It's just like stickers, okay? You peel it off, you stick it on. Not too hard, but something you can do, half hour, the whole thing. Give you guys some options. So here's the top piece now. I'm gonna flip this around. Actually goes the other way. This just goes over the top portion. I'm gonna show you. So kind of like that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stick that on there. Okay, so there's the top portion on. As you can see, it already looks a lot better. You see the difference there. Really easy to do. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it looks really good. It doesn't cover the bottom part of the H. So that will be the dark chrome. You can get a scrap piece if you wanted to, or just leave it alone. I'll probably leave it because you can't even tell. Just aesthetically, it looks really good. So it just blends in really nice with the factory black on the bottom. Like I said, I'm going to do the wheels again. I'll probably wrap those for the time being, just to give it the black look until I can figure out what wheels I like. Okay, so I put the last piece on the bottom. Goes around the H. As you can see, for not much money, about 30 minutes of your time, it really changes the front end. And like I said, when I do the more black parts on it, it'll all blend together. But as you can see, it's easy to do. Looks good. Looks really good. Like I said, I'm impressed with this. The black covers are about $50, $60. So this will save you some money, and it gives you the same look if you're wanting to black things out. And no special tools required. You know, if you have a squeegee, great, it might help, but I did this actually with no squeegees, just my finger pressing the vinyl down. And what I'll probably do, guys, soon I'll go ahead and put that front H on too, so we can black it all out. And then when I do my accessory grill, I can just pop that off and transfer it to the accessory grill. It's no big deal for me. Just to show you with that, how to pop this off easy too. I'll do that on the next video to show you guys if you guys want to switch out your emblems. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys out. Again, I didn't want to bore you with the whole install because it's just like you're peeling and sticking. It's really basic. But if you need any help, definitely reach out to me. I'll get right back to you and help you guys out. Just wanted to share that with you. Easy way to customize the front end of your car. Hope everyone's staying safe. And I'll have another video come up shortly. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.